Well, it's sunset time. There's a beautiful sunset about to happen. It's Thanksgiving. There's that little fuzzy thing. It's like a cocoon up there. There it is. Okay, which papaya shall we take? It's papaya number 10. Which one shall it be? Well, I think it's this one right here. Let's see if it's ready. It looks like it is. There it goes. Happy Thanksgiving.